Welcome back to the Tiida. So we've just gotten it back from the panel beater. He just did a very quick panel beating on the top to get the shape back in and put a coat of black paint over it. We're not too concerned about right now about getting it perfect. All we really want to do is get it straight so that the windscreen can get fitted. So now we've also got the windscreen properly fitted, and of course we've done some work on the bonnet and we've got all the trims nicely fitted. On the inside you can see the panel beating marks, but all of the cross supports have been lifted and pressed up and fit onto it and have been glued back in place. Everything in front is also looking perfect. With the roof now complete and the windscreen installed, we've installed the entire interior. So we have put the passenger side seat back in. We've also put the rear seat back in, as well as the top liner, and the car now internally is pretty much complete.